Grandstream has connected the world since 2002 with unified communications, networking, and all-in-one IT infrastructure solutions. We believe that any organization, large or small, should have the tools to operate and communicate as productively as possible. We design our devices with this priority in mind. Grandstream offers a full solution of PBX platforms, networking switches, Wi-Fi access points, IP endpoints, software, and more, all complete with a suite of advanced features and capabilities that make our portfolio a competitive choice for any vertical. We offer our partners a variety of benefits, including technical support, a dedicated marketing portal, deal registration, and more. Additionally, helpful tools such as free cloud-based device configuration and management through Grandstream Device Management System enhances the deployment process for system integrators and installers. Our products have been deployed worldwide since 2002 because of their quality, reliability, and consistent innovation. We offer broad interoperability, industry-leading features, wide product line selections, and price competitiveness. Grandstream's unified communications line includes IP voice and video collaboration endpoints, facility management devices, gateways and ATAs, IP business conferencing equipment, and IP PBX solutions. Our evolving networking portfolio has a large array of Wi-Fi access points, unmanaged and managed switches, and VPN and multi-gigabit routers. Finally, our GCC 6000 Convergence series provides all-in-one devices that combine a VPN router, next-generation firewall, IPPBX, and network switch/Wi-Fi access point all-in-one device. A GCC Convergence device is a comprehensive IT solution for small and home offices and small to medium businesses. These solutions come together to create a complete portfolio that is cost-effective and uses the latest technology without having to sacrifice quality or technical capabilities. At Grandstream, we strive to continue to innovate and enhance our offerings to empower organizations to succeed.